Can you say cracker?
Cracker.
Good job. Can you say grandma?
Mom.
Grandma?
Hmm?
Can you say grandma?
Mama.
Good job. Can you say dada?
Dada.
Dada. Good job. What else can you say?
Dad.
Socks.
Oh yeah. Can you say socks?
Dad.
Socks? Socks?
Huh?
Lauren, can you say shoes?
Fish.
Good job. Can you say socks?
Duck.
Good job. What's a puppy say? Woof, woof. What's a snake say? What's a bear say? What's a bear say? What's a bear say? How big are you? So big. Can you say that?
Dad.
That? Good job, Pumpkin.